Good day, everyone. This is a story of perseverance, teamwork, and transformation. Imagine living in a house where every inch is covered in clutter, grime, and hoarded items, stuff stacked high and deep, so much so that you can barely see the floor. Well, that's exactly the reality we're facing today. Our story begins with an elderly man who, over the years, has accumulated so many belongings that his home has become nearly uninhabitable. His neighbors, having tried to help for far too long, finally reached their breaking point. They could no longer bear the overwhelming chaos. In a desperate plea for change, they decided to call in the professionals. And that's where we come in. Today, the Cleaning Hero Squad is here to help, and what you're about to witness is truly shocking. Now let me paint the picture for you. From the outside, this looks like a normal, peaceful house in the middle of a quiet neighborhood. But as soon as you step inside, the reality hits hard. The smell, the chaos, the overwhelming amount of stuff. It's hard to describe, but you'll soon see it all. As we enter the home, you can immediately tell that this has gone beyond just an untidy space. We're talking about extreme hoarding, where every corner is piled high with newspapers, magazines, old furniture, broken appliances, You name it. The kitchen, completely unusable. The bathroom, out of service. The floors, barely visible beneath layers of debris. And this isn't just clutter. There's a sense of history to the hoard, decades of items stacked on top of one another, forgotten but never removed. Imagine how isolating that must feel. His neighbors tried to help, but eventually they couldn't ignore the health hazards any longer. Rodents were becoming an issue. The smell was seeping out of the house, and the fire risk was growing every day. Something had to be done. The floor of the house bears the heavy weight of years of neglect. A thick layer of dust and dirt clings to the surface, creating a grimy film that feels almost permanent. The air is heavy with a musty odor, a clear sign that this space has been trapped in time, void of fresh air and care. As your feet meet the uneven ground, you can sense the discomfort of the home, reflecting the turmoil within. The piles we were clearing weren't just forgotten treasures. They were a five-star buffet for our furry little friends. This, folks, is what the Cleaning Hero Squad is all about. We don't just clean, we transform. If today's story has moved you, inspired you, or made you think twice about the importance of a clean, healthy space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories of transformation. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.